Polypropylene. Utility webbing. This strapping is water resistant and won't stretch like nylon does. Suitable for outdoor use, this heavyweight webbing is a must-have when camping, boating, rafting and more. 1.5 inch webbing facts. The 1.5-inch wide polypropylene webbing is 0.04 inches thick. It has a breaking strength of 900 pounds and a melting point of 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Fade-resistant polypropylene webbing is made from thermoplastic resins. The material is resistant to moisture, acids, oil and grease. It even has some ability to float on water. Wide variety of uses. Polypro strapping is easy to manipulate and sew. Use this webbing to create nifty pet collars, unique clothing and repair/replace straps on bags and purses. World leader in straps, Strapworks is a family-owned company based in Eugene, Oregon. We have been producing the highest quality straps, webbing, tie-downs and more since 1976. Top reviews from the United States. Exceeded my expectations. I am making bridesmaids beach bags for gifts. Usually I make my own straps, but the canvas I am using is heavy. I decided to take a chance on nylon strapping and went for the lightweight. Wow! This product is awesome. Not flimsy at all and the perfect weight. I have bags I have purchased that the strapping was not as quality as this. This company has a lifetime customer.